Hello friends, welcome to One Stop All Poetry Solution. Today we are going to discuss Robert Frost's poem Dust of Snow. It is a CBSE poem, but I'm sure with the detailed explanation that I have provided, you are going to analyze and understand the poem with ease. So without much ado, let's start with the poem Dust of Snow. Before starting head along with the text, let me give you a brief introduction. The poem shows how human judgment on certain issues can be misleading. In fact, in this poem, the poet is in a very foul mood and he is walking by a tree, a hemlock tree, which is in fact a poisonous tree. And as he passes by, a crow happens to throw some snow dust on him. And in the first stanza, Frost is talking about the winter's day when all the tree tops are covered in snowflakes. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day a day I had rued. So this is where it brings us to the end of the poem very simply. And rued in fact means held in regret. So there is nothing apparently in this poem which is very difficult to understand, but it has a larger significance. Whether the crow which we encounter in the poem, whether the crow was landing shivering with cold or readjusting itself on the branch or trying to take off means it was about to fly, we don't know. It happened to send some particles of snow upon the author, that is, or the poet. That is what we come to know. And what he tells is that these two agents of nature, the hemlock and the crow, which are usually associated with something that is inauspicious, it has a note of positivity towards the end. It brings us, within us, the readers, also a note of positivity. In fact, you will see that towards the end of the poem also I have stated right away the message of the poem, that it is in fact Robert Frost's own words, that always a larger significance, a little thing touches a larger thing. So your negativity, it is a little thing. The inauspicious things that we usually associate with, we should use our positivity, our optimism, to associate with it and draw out the goodness in everything. It is very unlike the things that we usually hear on the social media regarding the positivity. That is something we must understand. But at the same time, nature, which helps us to grow, with whom rather we have a deep connection, that is what enlivens us. That is where what brings among us the positivity. And so the message in fact of the poem is that positivity. A poisonous tree with small white flowers, or the crow which is dark in color, the cawing of the crow, whatever you can call it, there is nothing bad about it, and that is what lifts up Robert Frost's mood. So the tiny particles of snow, the dust of snow, what is that is the meaning in fact. The dust of